hold it steady.
Clear on the right.
Bring it down slowly, watching the alignment.
The skeletal structure is meticulously machined from solid titanium, ensuring unmatched durability and strength.
Make sure the forward mounts are aligned. They look good. Start torquing the rear bolts.
Check the clearance on the rear mount.
Looks good here. The blocks are secure.
Alignment looks good on the forward mounts.
Confirmed against the schematic. Here is the driver.
Okay, bring it down easy. How's the fit at the center seam?
Running the straight edge now. Looks flush, no light showing through.
Torque is good on the rear mount.
Copy that. Moving to the front bracket check now.
Integrating the modular racks requires precision. The cushion lift table ensures the mission equipment boxes align perfectly with the retention rails. The main cable trunk bundles are meticulously routed along the sidewall channels, secured by pre-installed clamp points to ensure tidy integration. Routing these harnesses requires absolute precision. Every clamp secures the bundle, ensuring proper strain relief and preventing chafing in the avionics bay. The Apache's avionics bay is a marvel of engineering, with every harness bundle routed cleanly to ensure peak performance.
Okay, the covers are clear.
Yep.
Check the forward mounts, ensure the seals are clean. Looks good from here.
All right, easy lift. Easy lift. Keep it steady on the ascent. Hold right there.
Verify the harnesses are secured symmetrically.
Confirmed. All brackets torqued and aligned. The symmetry check is complete.
The heart of the Apache, the main gearbox and rotor deck. Precision machined components built for reliability in any theater.
Check the forward sling connection.
Looks good. Safety locked.
We are aligned. Go ahead and lower it. Copy. Easing it into the mounts now. Alignment is good on all points. Confirmed. All clear for seating.
Following the drivetrain positioning, the rotor mast interface undergoes meticulous inspection. Precision is paramount at this stage.
We are aligned. Check the coupling ends. Mark is good. Ready for installation. Okay, the housing is seated.
I'm showing green on the top bolt.
Roger that. Prepare for torque sequence 1. Bring it up easy. Watch the clearance on the left side. Right there, hold it steady.
Bring it up another 2 inches. Copy that. Watching the clearance now. Hoist engage, slow lift. Steady on the starboard side. We are clear for ascent.
Verify the centering on the TADS mount.
Centered and secured. All green on the diagnostics.
The cable interface looks secure, but check the tension on this mounting bracket.
Confirmed. The locking mechanism is fully engaged.
Ensure the alignment pin is fully seated before we close the panel.
Roger that. Checking the clearance now. Bring it up just a fraction?
Got it. Seated now?
Yes, visually confirmed. See this mounting face here? We have to keep the protective cap on until the final stage.
Okay, securing this clamp now.
A little more to the left, slow.
Okay, I'm aligned with the forward pylon.
Confirmed. Stand by for the hoist. The straight edge shows perfect alignment on this side.
Okay, confirmed. The dry fit is successful.
There's a slight imperfection right here.
Got it. We'll buff this out before the final sweep.
Easy on the hoist. Adjusting left. Hold right there, looking good for alignment.
Alignment target centered and secured.
Confirm visual on the mark.
Telemetry reads green. Proceed with caution.
Hold steady, we're clear on the alignment pins.
Confirmed. Centered and ready for seating.
Fasteners look good on the lower cap.
Confirmed. TIDS alignment is seated and secure.
Verify the PNVS mount torque.
Reading nominal. Moving to the TADS integration points now.
Safety zone established. The bay is clear.
Copy that. Moving the diagnostic array into position. Power up sequence initiated.
Module seating confirmed on position 3.
Acknowledged. Laptop shows stable power draw.
Running the BIT test now, all indicators green.
Stand by. Yes, all green on the diagnostic display.
Copy that. Moving to the flight control check.
I'm seeing some wear on this section of the brake line. All right, note that down. We need to check the strut alignment next.
Check the torque on these fasteners here.
They look consistent with the schematic, but I'll double check the readings.
The AH-64 Apache relies on advanced automation. This fastening cell ensures precision and
The AH-64 Apache features a unique tandem cockpit design. Here, the pilot sits behind the co-pilot.
All right, check the pitch control links for any wear.
Roger that.
The overall assembly looks solid, but let's double check the fluid levels. The M230 chain gun mount bay showcases remarkable fit and finish. The precision engineering and protective covers are clearly visible here.
Maintaining the integrity of these fasteners is paramount. The hardpoints allow the Apache to carry a diverse and potent arsenal.
Crucial to the Apache's mission success is the TADS/PNVS system. Meticulously maintained, these sensors ensure precision targeting in any environment.
Supplemental power engaged. Checking auxiliary systems now. Stand by for telemetry confirmation.
We have a spike on the number 2 sensor.
Copy that. Maintaining current throttle setting.
With a top speed of 180 knots and the ability to carry 16 Hellfire missiles, the Apache remains the backbone of the fleet. Featuring advanced avionics and targeting, the AH-64 is mission-ready for global operations. The Apache, superiority in action.